dia koordinator sa koordinator Congress Committee ka Bobita Sharma mantakasngi kalamaha mi ke NPP halor ke jinya talok jangka pat ke BJP haka Jylla ka ong Kumba Kiwei parti nekisen san partai hakaleng ke India ki laman daga jinya talok jangki pat ke BJP bunsin kisah kulun bat sa Nguid no pat ka ong bak ke BJP haka Jylla kalaban pengat ya ke NPP haka ne ke ka apot lain uksa ha Assam ke AGP ke Shivsena Maharashtra kelamat kena kapot ke ong kelempap nak kita kisin ke belah pau Meghalaya ke BJP kan la rukumju ya ke NPP.
In Assam as well, you have seen the BJP always piggy rides on a regional party, and then they swallow up the regional party. The same thing happened with AGP. They had no candidates in Assam, but they rode on the back of the AGP, and then they tried to make inroads into the political scene of the state of Assam. Similarly, they are doing. When you come from Guwahati, you see so many posters of the BJP. As if it's a BJP state. This is not a BJP state. They have only 2 MLAs. But NPP will soon be swallowed by the BJP. That is the message I think they are giving. And that is why they are pulling out, because they have their own interests in hand.
They have their...
Is that regional parties should also exist. As you are very much aware that we have never tried to swallow any regional party. The Congress never tried to swallow up any regional party. We have given them space to grow. It is very important to have regional party and regional aspirations. The Congress respects that everywhere. You can see the history of the Congress party. So BJP wants only their party to win. They don't want regionalism at all. Assam is a glaring example. So you can go by that.
The place where from I come, Maharashtra, is a glaring example of they hitting the alliance. The Shiv Sena is broken down. They break families. So now, Meghalaya has got a history of, very, very fruitful, healthy regional parties, and the national parties already had a couple of instances of forming a government, and we respect the regional parties here. So why? Because your question has a direct answer, because they are threatened by the agencies of Enforcement Directorate, CBI, and all other things. So if they don't fall in line with BJP, then you will have a Enforcement Directorate knocking at your door, a CBI knocking at your door. So do you want that, or do you want something else? You want peace. So that is the reason. So Congress always. The reason why Congress looks weak is because we give respect to other people's mind, freedom. We don't oppress their mind, or we don't suppress their mind with the power in our hand. Whenever we had the power also. Yes, sometimes something might have gone as a judgmental error, but that's not the case with BJP. They brazenly use the power to oppress people to toe their line. That's why it is. The regional parties or anybody else who's aligning with BJP, it's not because of love, it's because of fear. And Congress speaks the language of love. That's where we are. Yes, you had a question, madam.
Yeah.